Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create lookalike audiences, custom audiences, and all types of audiences. So first of all, we select the account, which is House of Keto in this case. Then we go to audiences. So one of the simplest audiences is, for example, uh, visitors who visit specific pages on our website. So let's create one of such. So we go custom audience. This is website traffic because visitors are website. People who meet any. This is 180. It's the maximum I think they give us. Yeah, maximum is 180. So we want all the visitors who visited specific web pages. So it can be URL. This one can be equals. So we want people who visited all the keto products, all the keto devices. So we take this one and we add it here. And also, because we want everyone who already purchased or at least seen the product, so we also take the URL of the other device in this case, but normally it would be just one URL. So I take the URL from here and add it here. This one can be equals, or if I just want any keto product, anything that has keto in the name, I would go contains keto. So there will be absolutely all the keto, anything that has keto in the URL here would be included, but this time I just want these two products. Select the correct pixel, House of Keto. Oh, now I erased it, never mind. So page view, here is, okay, so if I want everyone who visits a specific web page, like I did before, I will put it here again. And also the one from before. And I select equals because these are exact URLs in 180 days. And very important is the way I name it. It's going to be HOK because it's House of Keto website. And now visitors to device product pages. So all the people who clicked on the links who landed on the product pages from the ads on Facebook or Google or anywhere, can be organic reach, in 180 days. So create the audience. Okay, create audience. And it's going to run on the background. It's going to start populating automatically. Okay, let's say if we want to create an audience of people who add to cart, who added something to the cart, so we can retarget them in our retargeting campaign. So that will be website traffic again. In this case, it will be everyone who added to cart. In last, for add to cart, let's say we're just building an audience of people who added something to cart, so we can create lookalike of the people who added to cart. So now in case I will go maximum, just anyone who added to cart. I can further refine by device URL parameter. Okay, so let's say add to cart of people who added these two products. But in this case, I want to create just anyone. But if I wanted a specific product, I would refine by URL, and then I would put here equals. So I want to retarget only people who added this product, so I can, and I would name it like a House of Keto again, people who ATC add to cart, name of the product. But in this case, I want to create a lookalike audience from this, so I add to cart everyone in 180 days. And I'm gonna be age OK, add to cart all products, and create an audience. Done. And now let's say I want to create audience of people who purchased certain product. So that will be purchase, refine by, your parameter, and again. So this is going to be everyone who purchased in 180 days, but they purchased this product. But in this case, I want to just have purchase. So there will be again age OK, purchase all products, create the audience. Okay, now let's say, well, when we look back at the mind map here, so we can see, let's say we want to create a lookalike audience of add to cart of a specific product. So now what we would have to do is custom audience, website traffic. So now we're creating everyone who add to cart. Okay, so no, we're creating a lookalike audience. So that's not custom audience, that's lookalike audience. This is the percentage, but we can do automatically create 3 straight off the bat. So it'll be 1, 2, and then 5. Maybe we can do 4, so it will be 1, 2, 5, and then 10. So source. So source is we're looking for anything with add to cart. So here is add to cart or products. Anyone who added anything to the cart on our website. Location. I want to go, we can go USA. United States. And then I'll just hit create audience. Here, boom. Or we can go, if I want to go global, in this case I want to go global. So that would be worldwide. Let's see if we can do worldwide. No, region. Oh, well, it doesn't let me do a region. Okay. North America. Okay, so these are the free trades. European economic. Okay, maybe we can use that. But okay, let's just go to English-speaking countries. United Kingdom, United States, Australia, Canada. Those are the big ones. Ireland can be too. Okay. Now this one we don't have to name, it will be automatically named by Facebook. So we create all these lookalike audiences of people who added to cart. We can do the same thing with purchases. We just change purchase or anyone who visited our website, who viewed content. Okay, it's populating. Now let's say we go back to let's say we want to create Here, these are lookalike audiences too. We retarget them. These are 50 people who watch 50% of the short video, or long video rather, and then 75% long video, 95% long video. We're gonna retarget them and send them to the short version video, or send them to the benefits video. So let's create those audiences now. So we go custom audience, website traffic. In this case, it's gonna be not website traffic, but engagement. And this is people who engaged with our videos in the past 365 days. For this one, if they engaged like a year ago, it doesn't matter to us anymore. We can retarget them effectively. So I would say maximum 30 days in this case. Other than that, it's too old already. They're not gonna remember watching it. So choose a type of engagement. So let's say for this one we want people who watch at least let's say we want people who watch 25% of the video. Audience name, we're gonna go everything. We're gonna go 25, 50, one by one, all of them. Choose the video. So here I would choose the correct page, and then the video I wanna create audience from. For example, this one. Confirm, and then I would name the audience House of Keto. This is the long video, we call it 90-sec video. 25% video view. And create audience. Boom, and it's populating. Okay, and then I would do the same thing and create another version for 50, 75, 95. Then we go back to the mind map. We can see, okay, here is another lookalike audience. There is another specific audience. It's people who viewed content. Viewed content means they saw the product page in the last 5 days. And since we have 2 days as well, we can have 7 too. So for this audience, if I was doing 2 days, I would just include people who in the past 2 days. For 5 days, I want to exclude people in 2 days and then include everyone else in 5 days. So so let's go to create custom audience, website traffic, people who visited specific web page. This is a retargeting again ad, so 30 days. Well, no more than 30 days. I want a exact URL, and then further refined by a not frequency but device. Actually, let me take a look at how I did this. I don't remember how I did this. So here is, okay, here is an audience I created like that before for the 5 days. So I can go take a look at it. Okay, so this is how we did it. So this is the URL equals in the last 5 days, but then I excluded people in the last 2 days. So if I want to do this, if I want to do this for people who visited in the last 10 days, I would change it here. So people in the last 10 days, and then exclude people from the 5 days, etc. But I already done it here, and this is for the old device. Yes, it's mentioned here, Keto Monitor old. Okay, so I just cancel this. So that's how we do it. Is there any other custom audience we need? Okay, so let's go again back to the lookalike audiences. So we can make lookalike audiences of any type of source. So we can be buyers, visitors, add to cart, or people who watch the video. So let's say we have here, if I want to create a video, a lookalike audience of people who watched 50% of the video, I choose this. Um, so let's say I need to pick a location. So if I go regions, let's select all. Okay, now we have pretty much a global campaign. If I go countries, I go select all, 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 all. This is going to be a global campaign. So I've selected pretty much every country in the world. That's global. And Keto Monitor, video views 50% from global, and then 1% look like it's already big enough. And now we'll just hit create audience. That's it. It's very simple, very straightforward. And then how to use these audiences. Okay, so let's go back to, these are the ads that were currently pending for us. So this is a new PPE ad. So the purpose of this ad is to get as many engagement as possible, like an awareness campaign. But we don't want to show it to the same people that already been to our website. So we go edit, and then here on the top we should see custom audiences right here. So if I wanna, let's say I wanna target to people who watched 50% of the ad, this is where I would choose. This is where I would choose this. But if I want to target, in this case I want to exclude people who already been to our website because this is awareness campaign. So I would search for visitors or visits. Okay, visitors to device product pages. This is what we need. It's still building up, so the number is very small, but it's gonna build up. Okay, and I just confirm and save. So this is it.